C21 TV and MyMedicNews.com and Medical Fair Asia is now speaking to the people behind MiniSure, a very apt name for a surgical instrument that is based on a new efficient procedure for above the wrist kind of surgery that minimizes the wound gap as well as reduces the time before the patient can go back to work. Now, to further elaborate on this new technology, instrument, and also procedure, we speak to Dr. Joey from the Prince of Songkhla University, as well as Mr. Prasit, the Managing Director of Surgical Innovation Healthcare, to tell us more about this model, a collaboration between university as well as a commercial body. First, I'll direct the question to perhaps the expert behind this procedure, Dr. Joey. Can you explain to us what is the procedure that is being championed in terms of the kind of innovation that allows the patient to go back to work after the procedure faster?
Because of in the past, carpal tunnel surgery quite a big surgery. We talk about that 3 centimeters or 5 centimeters of the operation. That's a big operation that managed to cure the people have a suffering from the numbness. But nowadays the technology has been changed, so we can develop the equipment that perfectly to cut it off for the transverse carpal ligament that compress to the nerve, and finally the patient can come back to work quite quick because of the small incision. The incision less than previously, like just only 1.2 centimeters, and patient come back to work just very fast in less than 1 week. In previously, we talk about that the patient will go back to work about the 1 month. That's quite long. That is my hand. We try to help people to get the best solution to cure the problem of the numbness. That reason.
So once you find this solution, a solution of a procedure for this kind of surgery, you therefore develop this instrument that aids in that particular new procedure of surgery, correct? Can you show our viewers this particular instrument and explain a bit how it works in the particular procedure?
Okay, sure. I will show you that. Okay, working process. Just only the local anesthesia, just a little bit, and then apply to the navigator tip. After insert that, we create a space, special space above to the ligament that we need to cut it off, and then we can use just only knife, very small one, cut it off the completely process to cut it off. The surgeon can be operated just less than 10 minutes compared to the previously surgeon need to operate 1 hour. Some cases maybe 30 minutes or 1 hour. That quite take a long time.
This is a very significant reduction in surgery time as well as recovery time. Now, this is a very interesting collaboration model between the university and also the commercial body. Mr. Prasit, can you tell us about Surgical Innovation Healthcare and how your company has come into this collaboration with the university?
Sure. We basically invest in surgical innovation healthcare as a startup company here. So the idea is that 5% of the global population will have carpal tunnel syndrome, and 30% of them will require surgical operation. And then what we found is that it's very unique. Instead of just only hand surgeons can do the very complicated type of operation, now the operation can be expanded to the general surgeon because of simplicity of the use of the device in order to do the minimally invasive type of procedures. Right? I think this is the opportunities from the market standpoint is quite big. From the hospitalization is very reduced because of the operation wise dropped to only 10 minutes as opposed to 1 hour, like what Dr. Suntan said. And the patient themselves, they can go back to work within 7 days as opposed to 30 days. Can you imagine countries in Europe? They don't have to pay for the insurance for those patients because of a drop from 30 days to only 7 days, right? So that's the whole idea of how we come up with this investment into this startup company.
So from a commercial standpoint, Surgical Innovation Healthcare recognizes immense opportunity to expand the capability of this surgery procedure to many more doctors and also to open up the 30% of the people with this particular syndrome to receive the proper treatment without worrying about lacking in productivity within that time.
Exactly.
All right. Now, what is the commercial prospects of this product going to market, and how will you bring this innovation forward in terms of your commercialization?
Sure. We have 5 patents of these products in several countries. That's number one. Number two, we are also going to present at the Asia Pacific Hand Surgery Congress in Malaysia next month. Not only that, we are doing multi-center studies in Thailand and with the collaboration of some university outside of Thailand as well. The goal is that to have Dr. Suntan to present at the International Congress which actually his article has been published in some papers already. So I think that's the whole idea, not only to commercial and domestically, but also internationally, and also in the medical community as well.
To raise awareness for Minisure as well as to increase the acceptance and uptake among healthcare practitioners, especially hand surgeons and related surgeons who can take up the procedure as well.
That's correct. Yeah, that's
Fantastic. Now, as a final word, do tell our viewers what is the expected takeaway from Medical Fair Asia. First of all, Dr. Joey.
And the future of the carpal tunnel surgeries might be changed a paradigm shift to the new standard of operation because of nowadays the patient quite suffering from the problem of the carpal tunnel disease, and then they need to take a time to operations. So, but in the future, just quick one. That's it.
The procedure will only improve over time. Now, any final parting word for our viewers at CTRN TV, Mr. Praset?
Sure. We received many attention from the potential distributor here that visited our booth. So we continue to look for distributors, not only in this part of the world, but also in Europe and in the US as well. So we're in the process of pursuing US FDA as well, aside from the CE mark, which we're about to get. So I think these venues is excellent in terms of having all the prospect to visit our booth, and definitely we have to thank NIA, the National Innovation Agency as well, has been support this innovation all the way. Right.
I will show first that what's the problem. Problem is a transverse carpal ligament or flexor retinaculum that's compressed to the nerve. We need to cut the white area to cut it off. Disease will gone off. So the first step, very simple. After injection of the local anesthesia, the minimally invasive minimal incision over here, just 1.2 centimeters, and then we use the navigated tip to create the spread beneath. We can turn over of this kind of tube to visualization inside. Actually, you can see that the whole of the transverse carpal ligament you can see in the detail completely from front to back. We use the flexible free air to apply here. So you can see that we can apply to the distal margin here and create the spread bit. And then come with the knife. The knife can be completely cut it off after just only few minutes operation. And then come back to see the whole thing here. You can see that transverse carpal ligament cut it off after just only few minutes and just only very little of the small incision, 1.2 centimeter. That's it of the result of the patient can become back to work quite quick.